15th Air Commando Wing A1Gs attack an enemy fortified hill with BLU-23 Incendagel. This strike 20 miles west of Quang Tri was flown in support of Operation Scotland. 30 January, two 612th Squadron F-100s fly a close air support mission for Allied ground forces in contact with an enemy element, 35 miles south-southeast of Pleiku. During the attack, pilots dropped high-drag bombs and Incendagel and strafed with 20mm cannon. An estimated 20 enemy were killed. 31 January, F-100s attack an entrenched North Vietnamese Army regiment 15 miles south of Da Nang. With high-drag bombs and Incendagel, pilots destroyed 5 military structures, silenced 1 automatic weapons position, and triggered 1 secondary explosion. Two 308th Squadron F-100s attack an enemy concentration 55 miles west-northwest of Da Nang. Pilots dropped high-drag bombs and strafed with 20mm. Strike results: 4 military structures destroyed, 5 enemy killed. 2 February, two 308th Squadron F-100s hit an enemy concentration 20 miles northeast of Pleiku. On this strike, pilots used cannon and BLU-27B Incendagel, destroying 8 foxholes and 1 enemy trench line. F-100s attacked the enemy with high-drag bombs. 8 structures destroyed, 2 enemy killed. 7 February, two A-1 pilots of the 14th Air Commando Wing attack an enemy concentration and military support structures near Quang Hoa, South Vietnam. The strike crews attacked the area with 17 BLU-23 Incendagel bombs, 8 pods of Type 25 cluster bomb units, and followed with strafing passes. Strike results are reported as all ordnance on target with 100% target coverage, 3 military structures destroyed, 3 bunkers destroyed, 12 secondary explosions triggered. Rockets. Strike results are reported as at least 50 enemy killed and 100 structures destroyed, 2 secondary explosions. The second and third strike scenes filmed during this attack show clearly the amount of destruction. Purpose and 4 Incendagel bombs. The mission was flown in support of Operation Fairfax. The results: 4 structures destroyed, 2 heavily damaged. 13 February, 60 miles west of Tuy Hoa Air Base, F-4 crews of the 557th Squadron attack a Viet Cong storage area. Flying the mission in support of Operation MacArthur, pilots dropped 6 general purpose and 4 Incendagel bombs and strafed with 20mm. 15 structures and approximately 1 ton of rice destroyed. The target, a North Vietnamese Army structure complex. Strike results: 3 structures destroyed. Vietnam, tactical crews continued hitting enemy base camps, fortified positions, bunkers, troop concentrations, sampans, and gun emplacements. Among those ground operations supported were Saratoga, Scotland, and Fairfax.
I promise this song